Physical education. Physical education is an integral part of education purposely to promote the optimum development of an individual physically, mentally, socially, and emotionally through the total movement in the performance of properly selected physical activities. Vision of the City College of Calapan, Center of Inclusive Education in Building Discipline and Good Character for God and Humanity. Philosophy, we create possibilities for lifelong learning. Mission number 5 focuses on promotion or enhancing promotion of our cultural values. So basically, nakatuon ito sa kung paano natin mapapalago yung pag-preserve natin sa kultura na meron tayo, lalong-lalo na dito sa Calapan. Isa sa mga misyon ng City College of Calapan is matulungan or mapalagana pa or ma-preserve yung kultura na meron tayo. Nabanggit din dito yung foster social awareness. So, ibig sabihin, as mamamayan ng Calapan or City Collegian, responsable tayo na dapat alam natin yung nangyayari sa ating paligid. So, dun papasok yung responsiveness. So, when we aware that the issue exists, so magagawa na natin siya ng paraan or solusyon. Katulad na lamang sa Calapan noong ginagawang no to single-use plastic.